This is Ray.
This is Ray designing a website.
I'm Ray. I don't like to design websites. Chemistry. Cool company idea. Animating stars. Learning. Alright. Yo, how do I put this word on top of this button? Wait a second, this is a square. How do I put it on top? Grr.
What is that? Ray, have you heard of maBi?
No.
Ideas fade faster than pens move. Our essays have autocomplete, so why doesn't our imagination? This is maBi, autocomplete for drawing. Digital paper with magic in it. Today, you pick your poison. Paper is fast but dead. Design tools are structured but slow. Text to image gives you a picture you can't edit. maBi is the first ever option that's fast and faithful. Driving it takes zero learning. Shapes stay as shapes, and one lone letter adds function. B for button, N for navbar, F for form. Words label, colors fill. There are no surprises ever. Plus, we also have night skies from shaded boxes, 6 diagram types up to the full periodic table, automatic layers, endless paper, and our special feature, Frame, which turns the whole page into a downloadable, working, responsive website. Under the hood, we have 2 models. Gemini, which is the eyes, it describes what it sees. And we have our fine-tuned model, which is the free solo model. This is the brain. It decides with 0 coordinates in its output. Geometry comes from your actual ink, validators fail close, so hallucination becomes almost nothing, and there will never be a broken page. And here's the part that we're most proud of. We trained that brain ourselves, a 2 billion parameter model fine-tuned for under 25 cents, beating Gemini 96.7 to 75 on OP accuracy. And if it's not sure, it usually just stays quiet. Start the drawing, maBi finishes the thought.
This is maBi. In maBi, we're going to start with an empty whiteboard. We have a color palette to choose from, and for which we're going to choose a red background. In doing so, we're going to make a border, and then maBi will pick that up and then automatically make that the background we desire. We're going to move it a little bit, change the color to white. Now the cool thing about our software is we can be as creative as we want. We change the color to white, and now we're going to make a box. The box automatically gets detected as a rectangle and it changes the shape. Next, we're going to put the simple letter P, and what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get a phosphorus atom just to make it look cool and give off that chemistry vibe. We're going to go ahead and get an image of a phosphorus atom, copy paste that over to our website and drop it. Here we're using some basic tools and making another box for doing B. The B will automatically set it as a button in green. Next, we're going to go for a bit of cool of a design. We're going to try to make some flames of a fire. We're going to make a layer of red. On top of that, we're going to add orange for the flames, and then we're going to add yellow just to give it the fire contrast and the different layers of the fire. For our website, we're also going to go ahead and design a periodic table. We're going to roughly make the shape of a periodic table and what it looks like, and with short lead time, it has generated a periodic table for us to use. Next, you can take a look. We're going to go ahead and implement some more and more designs and be as creative as we can. Now that we have it, we're going to go ahead and click the frame button, and then there we have it. Our website is loading and ready to go.